The Realme 3 Pro will be coming to Malaysia really soon. So this device packs a capable processor, a sleek build, and the best of all, it is super affordable. So today I actually have the Realme 3 Pro here with me. So let's check out what's inside the box. So let's open up. Inside, you will be greeted with this box, and inside, you'll find yourself a SIM ejector tool, and as usual, you also get your paperwork, and also a clear jelly case, which is a good thing. And after that, you can see your Realme 3 Pro itself, which I'll talk about it later. So as you can see in the box, there's no headphones, but you will see there's the power adapter and a microUSB cable. So now, let's talk about the Realme 3 Pro itself. But first, let me just tidy things up. So let's tear this thing off. The Realme 3 Pro. So let's start this phone up. Okay, so while the phone is starting, let's talk about its design. So the one I have here with me comes in blue to purple gradient, and if you see closely, there's some fine lines onto it, which looks pretty good. And at the back, you will notice there's a dual camera setup, and the main camera surrounds itself with a yellow coloring, which looks very stylish. And you will see there's a LED flashlight and also a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. So at the bottom, you will see there's a microUSB port, speaker grills, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack. And at the right side, there's a power button. And the left side, you will see there's a SIM tray and also a volume rocker. So this phone also gets a dedicated card slot, which means you can add 2 nano SIMs and 1 microSD card. So this phone is already started up. Let's talk about its display. So this device gets a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, and it has a tiny notch that houses the selfie camera. So for extra protection, it also comes with Gorilla Glass 5. So powering the Realme 3 Pro is Qualcomm's upper mid-range Snapdragon 710 processor that's mated up to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So if that's not enough, you can always add a micro SD card. So like I mentioned before, this device gets a dual camera setup. So the main camera is a 60-megapixel Sony IMX586 main camera, and the secondary shooter is a 5-megapixel camera for depth effects. So at the front, you'll get a 25-megapixel selfie camera with AI support. Powering this device is a 4045 mAh battery that's rated to last up to 9.7 hours of 1080p video playback. Realme claims that you can also use this device to play PUBG for 7 hours. That's not all. It also supports Oppo VOOC Flash Charge 3.0, just like the ones we saw on the Oppo F11 Pro. That means you can get 50% of charge in just 30 minutes. But unfortunately, it still uses micro USB cable. However, we do not know the pricing and availability details of this device just yet, but the Realme 3 Pro will be coming to Malaysia on the 14th of May 2019. So in India, the base model with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage is priced at 13,999 Indian rupees, which is around 830 ringgit, while the higher spec variant with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees, which is around 1,010 ringgit. It'll be interesting to see how much this device will cost when it comes to Malaysia. So if the Realme 3 Pro is indeed priced at 1,010 ringgit, so should I get the Realme 3 Pro or should I get the Redmi Note 7? Vote here and let me know. So that's all from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!